What is up, you guys? Jury here. Now, as you can tell from my voice, I have a big smile on my face. You read the title. I was able to get a fan game working on Linux, and that game is Ultimate Sonic Smackdown. Now, this is a fan game that I've actually wanted to play on Linux, but again, since I'm a Linux gamer and a Linux user, getting fan games or any like niche games to work on Linux is really not easy. I had to go through torture and torture just to get errors and errors to get this game working. But I'm here to tell you that there's one specific version of this fan game that I was able to get the game working. Without wasting your time, let's get into what problems I had to get this game working, and I'm going to show you like a tutorial, of course, on how you can get this game working. So here's the thing, this fan game doesn't work properly on Linux for many reasons. One of the biggest issues I had trying to run this game is that it uses Unreal Engine, and many Unreal Engine games, when you're trying to launch them with DirectX 12 through Wine or Proton, either they work or they just don't work because Wine and Proton do not go well with Unreal Engine games. Another issue I had with this game is that it requires Microsoft's VC++, as in Visual C++ runtimes. Now, of course, they are available on Linux, but they have to be installed manually, and if you don't install the right version, you could also run into issues with fan games. And another issue I had with this game is that Unreal Engine games use a lot of Windows specific DLLs, and if you do not handle them correctly, or like if you don't override them in softwares like Bordos or Lutris, there's a chance that it will just lead to unexpected crashes. So to summarize, this fan game just expects DirectX 12 and Microsoft runtimes, and Linux, well, it has most of these. If they're just not handled correctly, the game will just crash. So let's get into the fun stuff. So to get this game up and running on Linux, you want to open your browser and you want to go to this website where you can get the fan-made game. So as of making of this video, I refreshed the website because I noticed that there is a new version uploaded. So the version that I'm using is this one, which is the 0.0.18.0. You can use the latest version, which will apply for this tutorial. So if you want to use this one, that's fine. If you want to use this one, that's also fine, but get the latest version. Once you do, then we can go to the next step. So what we are going to use to run this game is Bordos, and the reason why is because, well, I was able to get this game working using Bordos. With Lutris, it might work, but I ran into this dependency error, which I'll show you later in this video. But we're going to use Bordos. Now, as you can see, I already have this game up and running. I'm going to show you how you can get this game up and running. So you want to type the name of the game. I'm going to type USSD in short. Then you want to select gaming, and for the runner, I recommend you keep it at default for now. And the Bordo directory, I also recommend you keep it at default. Then you want to click create. Now once the Bordo is created, you want to close this and you want to go into your settings. So you want to keep most of the settings at default except for this one, which is recommended if you want to monitor how the game is performing. If you want to, you can also enable game mode, which is something I also recommend. If you want like a slight performance boost, then you can use this as well. Now I'm not going to enable this because I'm using CacheOS, and CacheOS has its own game mode, so to say, so I'm not going to enable this. Then for the working directory, you want to select the working directory for the game. So if I go to my files and to downloads, you want to extract the fan game that you obviously downloaded it, right? So you want to extract it, and then once you are done extracting it, go back to Bordos. Then you want to select the working directory for the game, which is this one. But once you're done, you're pretty much good to go. Again, I recommend you keep most of these at default for now, and the game should just work. Now that you're done, you want to add like a shortcut exe. So to do that, go back to our downloads and you want to add this exe, and once you're done, you should have this game, well, up and running. But we're not done yet because it's going to show you this dependency error, which I'll show you right now. So when you're trying to launch the game, it will say that the following components are required to run this program, which is Microsoft Visual C++ runtime. So now you're like, okay, how can I get this game up and running? Well, this is where we're going to go to the dependencies section, because this is going to be your best friend. Now, we're not going to download a lot of dependencies. We're going to download like 3 of them, and I'm going to show you the ones that I downloaded to get this version like of game up and running. So you're going to download this one, and this one. So you're going to download these 3 dependencies, only these 3. And once you're done, you are pretty much good to go, and you should have the game up and running. So I'm going to delete this bottle because this is like a tutorial, of course, showing you how to get this game up and running. I already have it set up, and I did set this up like yesterday midnight. So I'm going to prove to you that the game works. So let me launch the game. So as you can see, the game works. Now let me lower my volume a little bit. Oh, okay, so this is enabled. Okay, so this is where you can go to settings and adjust like the window mode, resolution, and the quality and all of that good stuff. But once you're done, you can hop in online, or you can play local. I'm gonna play local. Let me see if I have my keyboard. Okay, so let me hop in local. So I'm gonna select one character, which is Sonic. I'm gonna select Shadow. So as you can see, the game works. And I'm still new to the game, so please don't critique me if I suck at the game, because I'm still getting used to my controllers and stuff. Okay, so yes, you can see the game works. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, or if you are having problems running this game, let me know in the comments and I might help you out. With that being said, it's your boy Jury, and I am signing out.